Hello, friends. Today I am with a new video, and the topic is happiness, your choice. Happiness is a very internal thing. Happiness is an inside job, and never assign anyone else that much. That much you should not give that much power to anyone else over your life. So, let me quote one story, and let me tell you, friends, that's my own story. I was really fond of Maruti's Wagon car. I wanted to test drive it since we were planning to buy a small car for city driving. One of my friends owned this car and she happily offered her car since she came to know about my wish. That day, I took the car for a long drive. I was very happy and excited. I wanted to drive the next day too, but I knew my friend would take the car back. Whole day I did not drive and kept on thinking and thinking when she would come and take the car back. 3 days passed, but she did not come, and I kept thinking the same thing, and that thought made me sad over and over again. This way I kept myself unhappy for 3 long days. Do you understand, friend, what happened then? So, friends, the fact is, the primary cause of unhappiness is never the situation, but your own thoughts about it. Happiness is not ready made, it comes from our own actions. You know, friends, very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, your own self, in your own way of thinking. It is just the mindset, what you have. You are responsible for your own happiness. Nobody else is responsible for your happiness. If you expect others to make you happy, you will always be disappointed. Now, let's see the simple ways to find happiness. What are the simple ways to find happiness? We all want to feel happy, and each one of us has different ways of getting there. Here are some ways you can take to increase and bring more happiness into your life. The first is be with others who make you smile. This is very true. Never be with those people who always brood and always grumble and always have a negative feelings. No. Be with others who make you smile. And there are so many studies that show that we are happiest when we are around those who are also happy. Stick with those who are joyful. So, this is the first way to be happy, to find happiness. Now, the second is hold on to your own values. Yes, everyone has values. We all have values, and we should respect them, of course. So, what you find true, what you know is fair, and what you believe in are all values. Over time, the more you honor them, the better you will feel about yourself and those you love. So, it is very important that you should always value your feelings, your values. Then the third is imagine the best. Imagine the best means you do the best. You always think about the best. Don't think what other people are thinking about you. No. Don't be afraid to look at what you really want and see yourself getting it. Many people avoid this process because they don't want to be disappointed if things don't work out. They fear to work hard. They are not very much confident about themselves. So the truth is that imagining getting what you want is a big part of achieving it. So this is the truth. If you imagine big, you will achieve big. Don't think about people. So this is the best way of satisfying yourself. So this is the thing. Imagine the best, and then the fourth point is do things you love. This is also very important. Whatever you do, it should give you happiness and contentment. That is very important. So maybe you can't skydive every day, or go to picnic every day, or take vacations every season. No, but as long as you get to do the things you love every once in a while, at least once in a while, you should do what you feel uh, good for you, what you love doing. That you will find greater happiness once you try it. Whatever you like to do, you do it. Now, the fifth point is find purpose. Find purpose means you do something with a purpose. Like whatever you do, that should be aimful, that should be purposeful. Then only you will get more satisfaction and contentment and, of course, happiness. Those who believe they are contributing to the well-being of humanity. Suppose you are interested in social work, you are interested in helping the needy, they tend to feel better about their lives. If you want to help others, you feel better. More people want to be part of something greater than they are. Simply because it's fulfilling. Yes, it's very fulfilling, very satisfying if you live for others, if you do something for others. It is really good and you really feel very much contented and happy within yourselves. Then the next is listen to your heart. Of course, listen to your heart. Heart is never wrong. Of course, it is on the left side of your body, but it, it is always right. You are the only one who knows what fills up. So do small things which satisfies your heart. Do little things which really satisfies you. The next is push yourself, not others. Don't go after somebody. You just push yourself. You do whatever is good for you. Like it's easy to feel that someone else is responsible for your fulfillment, but the reality is that it is really your charge. Once you realize that, you have the power to get where you want to go. Stop blaming others or the world, and you'll find your answers much sooner. The next is be open to change. This is very important, very, very important because life is changing, it is not static. So you have to cope up with the change. You be with the youngsters and you feel and just watch what they feel, how they talk, what are things going on in their life, and see the changes, what you think and what they think. You'll feel, and when you try to accept those changes, you'll feel very happy and elevated too. And then you can also adjust with your youngsters and you'll feel happy also. Even if doesn't feel good, change is the one thing you can count on. So change will happen. So make contingency plans and emotionally shore yourself up for the experience. And the ninth is bask in the simple pleasures. You find happiness in simple pleasures. Not that you should always achieve big things. No. Try to get happiness in small things. Those who love you, treasured memories, silly jokes, warm days, and starry nights. These are the ties that bind and the gifts that keep on giving. Happiness and fulfillment are within your grasp, but sometimes just out of reach. Just try and you'll get it. Understanding what works best for you is the first step in finding them more often. Always respect and love yourself. This is also very important. Always love and respect yourself. Love yourself so much to the point that all you want is to do everything you can make yourself happy. It's not selfish to love yourself, friends. People think that if we love ourselves, it is selfish of us. No, it's not at all selfish to love yourself. Take care of yourself and make your happiness a priority. It's very necessary. And in the end, I will tell you, to be happy, you must be your own sunshine. So, all the best, friends. Thank you for watching the video.